In a world facing climate change, pollution, and resource depletion, sustainability isn't just a choice, it's a responsibility. That's why global businesses are stepping up with sustainability certifications, ensuring they operate responsibly and protect the planet. At Gitchia Institute of Global Certification, we provide globally recognized sustainability certifications, including ISO 14001 and many more. Benefits: improved brand image, compliance with environmental laws, operational efficiency, and most importantly, a sustainable future for generations to come. Ready to lead your industry in sustainability? Partner with Gitchia today and take your first certified step toward a greener future. Contact us today. Let's make sustainability a standard, not an option. Seedling Gitchia Institute of Global Certification, certifying change for a better tomorrow.